In today's tutorial video, I'm going to make a blending stump. What we need is a very sharp knife, pair of scissors, some masking tape, a ruler, and a little bit of sandpaper, which should be soft to medium, not too hard. So we start by creating a rectangle. You can choose any size of rectangle, but I find out size 30 by 10 centimeters is the best. The paper I'm using to make this blending stump is a kind of like a thick paper, not too thick. It has to be easy to roll, but at the same time a little bit of texture should be fine. So we don't use glossy paper or too thin. So I cut this rectangle. So I recommend you to experiment with different kind of paper, and you find out what kind of paper is good. So I'm going to start rolling from right side. That's why I cut a triangle from the corner. There is no specific size for that. It just helped me to roll it easier. And also another tip to roll the paper easier is like using your ruler to shape the paper, then it helps. So sometimes wetting your finger, there shouldn't be any water in your finger, helps you to roll better. It's very important to start really tight. So as you see, I use both hands. I go back and forth. Look at the movement. Back and forth. So now I'm good to go. So I keep it tight. As you see, I cannot go straight, which is absolutely fine. Don't worry about it. So I keep it tight and I keep rolling. So blending stump is what we need when we do shading in our drawing. You should never use your fingertips to blend the shading parts. So now, so this part is quite loose. I just cut, and then let's say I'm going to use this side. I see this hole. We don't want this. We want to find a really dense part of it, which I guess it's around here. So I cut. Yes, that's a perfect part. You see, there is no hole in this side. So I'm going to use my sharp knife to shape it like a pencil and make it pointy. So that's why I said your knife should be really sharp. So now it is good, but to make it better, I use the sandpaper, not too much, and then I use my fingers. That's a perfect blending stump ready to use on some drawing.